Why did our experts spend over 2 years developing this smart box?
Because I'm definitely no expert.
Meet Michael James.
Hi.
Tell us, Mike, how'd you grow all of this? Looks like a lot of work.
I can't take much credit. It's all thanks to VGrow, my all-in-one smart grow box. The Grow Pilot's intelligent growth algorithm guides you in caring for your plants. In addition, there's a dedicated team of personal cultivation experts that ensure that even someone with no growing experience, like myself, can grow almost anything I want.
Whoa, that's super bright.
What really sets it apart is VGrow's all-in-one ecosystem, including an innovative lighting, ventilation, and irrigation system.
Sounds complicated. What does all that mean?
It means with VGrow's all-in-one ecosystem, we can grow it here, or even here. And I can even choose from multiple color options to match my home decor. The Samsung's LM301H EVO lights optimize the light spectrum to deliver maximum yield and potency, meticulously adjusting to each stage of my plant's growth. But that's not all. See, the 360 ventilation system ensures that my plants receive proper airflow, which protects their health from things like bugs, bacteria, mold, and dust.
This is often the main reason for a happy or sad plant.
That's right. No corner goes untouched. I used to have to hand water all my plants. Now with VGrow's self-watering technology, a range of irrigation options is now provided, including self-watering, deep water culture, and drip irrigation.
Nice. I can't believe you did all this at home.
Actually, I did all of this when I was out of town. Your smartphone serves as the ultimate command center where you can monitor your plants, receive real-time updates, and make personalized adjustments. Anytime, anywhere.
Will this work?
So if you're more of the old school type, there's a local control panel where you can fine-tune settings with a simple press of a button.
Shh, you're gonna disturb them.
Relax, with VGrow's magnetic observation window, you can safely check on your plants without disrupting them.
There's no light leakage, and its whisper quiet operation won't disrupt your daily life. Now Mike can finally get some well-needed rest. Thanks, Mike.